This is going to be box number 3. So this is UltimateBoxBreaks.com, and this is 2012 Topps Valor Encore box number 3. Yeah, I have box 7. There's some people that said they didn't want to do box 7. I'm telling you, you guys don't want to miss out. If you guys saw the case from last night, it's crazy how many hits were in it. All right, there's everybody there. Cool, so this is going to be Topps Valor box number 3 out of the sealed up case here for us. Just working through it. All right, good luck, guys. Here we go. It's going to be a P. That's going to be 70 out of 170. And then Shield of Honor autograph patch of Joe Adams. That'll be going to the Panthers. Who's got those Panthers? Shirley B. Go on. And you got from Minnesota, it's going to be 70 out of 170. Jarius Wright. Shirley B. Getting his hits. Adding them up. And it's going to be Brian Quick. 10 out of 50. And going to those Rammers. St. Louis. That'll be Fanatic. Here you go, Bob. And, oh, of course. I told you we were going to start heating up. Here's Eric Decker. And that's going to be 9 out of 250. Going to those Broncos. All right. Y'all know what time it is. Do a little dance back there, huh? What's going on with the freeze, man? I got ad free streaming. There should be no freezing whatsoever, man. It's a nice little card here. This is a good way to end off box number 3. And this is a Russell Wilson, but that is, my friends, a 1 of 1. It's a nice 3-color patch. It's the heart variation. That's going to the Seahawks. That's Jason S. Go on and get you somebody. That's a very, very nice hit. Cool, man. Topps Valor. I'm telling you, just running hot. All right.